Good afternoon, students, and welcome to Sharadvi More English School. So today I'm going to teach you Unit 3, poem number 17 on the water. Okay. So in this poet, the poet wants to show us or to examine the environment, to observe the environment. Means we have to see, we have to observe the thing that we are surrounded by ourselves. Means हमारे आसपास जो भी चीजें हैं, that thing we have to see. Okay, that thing we have to observe. वो सारी चीजों को हम लोग को क्या करना है, देखना है. Obviously God had give us lots of thing है ना, अल्लाह ताला ने हम लोगों को बहुत सारी ये थी natural thing थे that looks very beautiful. So let's start. So firstly I'm going to read this poem and afterward I will explain one stanza. Okay. In our little boat to glide on the water blue and white, while the sky is smooth and bright, what could give us more delight? See the ripples how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun, while reflected we can see shadows of each hill and tree. See the lilies round and large, floating near the reedy marge, where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water maze. See the great green dragonfly and the swallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam ere they splash into the stream. Last stanza. See the bright kingfisher too, dart a gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat. On the water whilst we float. Yes, so in this poem, the poet is sailing the boat, means he is sitting on the boat. वो कहाँ पर है, boat पे बैठे पे. Okay, and what thing he is observing, वो क्या क्या चीज observe कर रहे. Maybe he is in river or in the sea. Especially we can see this view nearby the river, right? So he is observing the environment that is nearby the sea, means near के river के आसपास जो भी environment जो atmosphere है, that he is observing. Okay. So in first stanza, what the poet said, in our little boat to glide. Glide means to run or to walk smoothly. Okay. So the poet is sitting on a boat. So the boat है वो कैसे चल रही है? It's sail very smoothly वो चल रही है. And on the water blue and white. Obviously that river is very wide. Means the river में boat sail हो रही है. So that river is very wide. And the water of that river is blue. All we know the shadow of the sky is goes to the water. जब भी जो shadow होती है sky की वो water पे जाती है, and we can see the color of river is blue है ना. At that time we can see obviously वो shadow की वजह से हम लोगों को जो river का color है, water का color है, वो कैसे दिखाई देता है, blue. So here also the water of that river is blue and the river is very wide. Okay, wide means very big, right? So while the sky is smooth and bright, and obviously this is a daytime or morning, daytime obviously. So the sky is smooth and bright, means shining. Okay. And what could give us more delight? Obviously, this is the very happiest moment for the poet. And if you are also sailing a boat in the river and you are also enjoying, obviously that thing, this moment each and every person will enjoy. है ना, हम लोग भी ऐसे moment जो होंगे वो enjoy करेंगे. Right, तो वैसे ही obviously here in first stanza, last line, the poet is asking us a question that what could give us more delight. Delight means happiness. तो कहते हैं और कौन सी चीजों से हम लोगों को और ज्यादा delight feel होगा. Okay, obviously whatever we are doing while sailing the boat or at that time, तो we will feel firstly we will feel happy. हम लोगों को कैसे feel होगा, happy feel होगा. And we will enjoy the nature. Obviously we will enjoy the nature, है ना, जो भी चीज हमारे सराउंड है, that thing we will enjoy. See the ripples. Now ripples, you know what the meaning of ripples? Ripples means whenever we are throwing a stone or anything in the river, okay, in the water of the river, at that time so many waves that found in the water, बहुत सारी waves form होती है water में, that's called ripple. Okay, means जब हम लोग कोई stone या फिर कोई भी substance हम लोग throw कर रहे हैं water में, right? So at that time means when we are throwing a stone in the water, okay, so we means at that time we can see so many types of waves. हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? waves देखते हैं, तो that's called ripples. Okay, so see the ripples how they run. Obviously the ripples are also running, means जो ripples है वो भी क्या हो रही है? run हो रही है. And twinkling brightly in the sun. Obviously twinkling means shining. Okay, so this word twinkling star, especially we can see this word with stars, right? But here twinkling brightly in the sky means at that time the sky is twinkling brightly. Okay, it's shining brightly. While reflected we can see shadow of each hill and tree. Obviously means the boat is passes from one place to another place, means while going through the one place to another place, the people who were sitting in the boat or the poet who is sitting in the boat, he can observing, he can watching so many things. Okay, बहुत सारी चीजें हम लोग देख रहे हैं, मीन्स पोएट देख रहे हैं, उनके साथ जो है वो देख रहे हैं, या फिर हम लोग जब बोटिंग कर एट दैट टाइम वी कैन ऑल्सो सी सो मेनी थिंग्स, राइट? So we can see the shadow of that thing in the river. Obviously if you are sitting nearby the river or nearby the sea, so you can say your shadow is also come into the water of the sea or water of the river. हम लोग हमारी भी shadow कहाँ पे देखते हैं? रिवर में देखते हैं, अदरवाइज और सी में देखते हैं जहाँ पर हम बैठे होते हैं, राइट? तो वैसे जो भी थिंग्स यहाँ वहाँ पर हैं रिवर की साइड में, so we can see the shadow of that thing into the water of the river. Okay, so here while reflected we can see the shadow of each hill. means अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? shadow दिख रही है किसकी? hills की and trees की. in this picture we can see hills, this is the hills, right? and there are so many different types of trees, so we can easily see the shadow of these trees into the water, right? Now come to the next paragraph. See the lilies around and large. Sorry, now see the lilies. Obviously, to the side of river, means to the corner of the river, we can see different types of flowers, है ना? हमें बहुत सारे types के क्या देखते? flowers देखते थे. Here we can see lotus, and this white color flower is lilies. Okay, so see the lilies round and large. Yes, so here the poet is telling to us that see the lilies. What he is saying to see? He is saying to see us the flowers like lilies, that is round and large, means they are round and large and floating near the reedy marge. Now these flowers are floating means bend, right? So they are floating near the reedy marge means this corner sides of the river. Okay, now where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water maze. Yes, so here where the bulrush means जो देखो साइड की जो एरिया होती है रिवर के, तो उसके साइड में जो ग्रासेस होती है, that it's called bulrush. Okay, so where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water maze. Obviously at that place there is a heavy water maze. Okay, now next, see the great green dragonfly. Obviously here देखो in first stanza what we are observing water of the river or water of the, yes, obviously water of the river and the sky, है ना? And in second stanza what we are observing the ripples, है ना? Ripples or the sky, sorry, ripples and the shining sun or shadows of the different things. And in third stanza what we can see that flowers that are round and large and the flowers that are floating into the reedy marge. Okay, and in fourth stanza what we can see the great green dragonfly is a one type of insect. Okay, उसकी टेल कैसी होती है? मीन्स लॉन्ग टेल होती है. ओके, ड्रैगन फ्लाई की. सो वी कैन सी दिस insect nearby to the river. Okay, and the swallow is skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam. Here they splash into the stream. Yes, and after that what we can see, obviously हम लोग देखो एकदम small size की जो fishes होती है. So that fishes we can see into the river, into the side of the river, means जो side होती है river की border होती है ये वाली, right? तो यहाँ पे हम लोग small जो फिशेस होती है वो देखते, राइट? तो वो क्या करते, दे वर स्प्रिंग, स्प्रिंग मीन्स दे आर कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द रिवर एंड सडनली दे डिसअपियर्ड। वो सडनली कैसे होती है, दिखने लग जाती है एंड सडनली they have disappeared means गायब हो जाती means they were go to the water, right? So see the fishes spring and climb means here the poet saying us to see the fishes means what he is saying to see the fishes that spring and climb means that are coming out from the water and suddenly they were disappeared means वो suddenly बाहर आ रही है and वापस क्या हो जा रही है, disappear हो जा रही है, okay? Here they splash into the stream and यहाँ वापस वो कहाँ पे चले जा रही है, स्ट्रीम में चले जा रही है, ओके? नाउ see the bright kingfisher too. Now here kingfisher is the name of bird who is sitting here on a branch of a tree. You can see the beak of this bird is very tall, right? Very big. So see the bright kingfisher too dart a gleam of green and blue. Yes, so here we can see a bird which is sitting on a branch of a tree that is gleam of green and blue, okay? And these are all around our boat. Obviously these all things are means we are watching around the boat. ये सारी चीजें हम कहाँ देख रहे हैं, around the boat. And on the water fleeced we float. और obviously और कहाँ देख रहे हैं, that the water के ऊपर देख रही है, तो water के ऊपर उसकी shadow आ रही है, जो जो चीजें हम लोग को दिखाई दे रही है, तो the वो things की हम लोगों को shadow कहाँ पे दिखाई दे रही है, water पे दिखाई देंगी, right? So these all things we are looking in the water or in the around of the boat, okay? So in short, in this poem the poet is telling us to see whatever whatever thing the god is provide us through the nature means god ने अल्लाह ने हम लोगों को नेचर के थ्रू कौन सी चीजें दिया है, दैट वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व इन दिस फीचर। ऑब्वियसली देखो जैसे वाइल सेलिंग द बोट, अब जैसे हम लोग बोटिंग कर रहे हैं तो एट द टाइम वी कैन सी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थिंग्स, हम लोग ने कितनी सारी चीजें देखे, राइट? जैसे रिंग रिपल्स, देन बर्ड्स, वाटर, color of water, sky, brightening sun, now shadow of different things, different types of flowers, right? And bulrushes and insect, birds, fishes, right? So these all the natural things that we can see in this poem, okay? So here the explanation of this poem